In this video, I will show you how to convert YouTube videos to audio file on your computer. First, go to YouTube and click on your profile icon up top. Then select YouTube Studio. From here, click on the Content tab. After that, click on the three-dot icon and choose Download. Open your Downloads folder and you will see the file. Remember the video name. For the offline method, go to Google search and type VLC Media Player. Go to this website and download the installer file for VLC Media Player. Follow through with the straightforward installation process. Then, open the VLC Media Player. Click on File, and then you will want to select Convert/Save. Then, click on Add to select the YouTube file you just downloaded. Choose the Convert/Save button. You will want to make sure you select Audio MP3 in this tab. Then, choose your destination folder and click on Start. You can then see the converted file in your destination folder. There is also an online method. Go to Google and search for YouTube to MP3. Then pick any of these options. Go back to your YouTube and copy the link of your video. Then come back and paste it here. Click Convert and wait for the process to complete. Click on Download and you will get the audio file as well in your Downloads folder. Thanks for watching.